Hello, good day to you. I'm Martin Kagan, founder, creator, and data visionary of this spatial database engine called Before Your Eyes. We're looking today at health data, specifically that of a hearing test over 8,000 subjects. And the visualization that we're going to be inspecting is this dynamic rendering of this summarized information in terms of their hearing impediments. The data itself is as follows: 8,000 records. There are dialects, obviously dialects and regions, and there's a speaker ID and other information, and then the 5 tests, which were true false, converted into -1 and +1 for evaluation purposes. Let's look straight at this data. So essentially the data now gives us the ability, based on the way that it was structured in terms of the data set, we have 5 literal planes to inspect. And those planes summarized give us almost a table view, a histogram type of combination, because they are cumulative in terms of the volumes of answers there too. So essentially we have already the distribution of that data for the 5 different elements, questions that were posed, or results. And we can see those 5 represented in the rows, in the flat rows, because there's no time definition here. We have a one-time review statistically of what their data is. But we can actually see there's the one set, there's the second, third, fourth, and fifth. And they tie up obviously to these over here. So we could choose any one of these. Let's choose a DR4, since it's the predominant factor, and drill down. And from this we already see that there is an array data, and what we need to do quite simply is set the data to, in this case, to root, to optimize the visualization. And now we have all those answers relative to it, and we could choose any one of these selections. And now we have the answers, positive and negative, relative to that. We could go all the way down to the cell level, but that would be simplistic. It's just a 1 or a -1, as we know. But here we have the entire test for that subject, DR4, NPR theme. And if we had to go that and choose a different, we would choose, let's say, that. And we once again come to a different combination of responses, which can be evaluated in terms of the medical analysis that's being performed. So quite simply, we are able to utilize a wide array of data statistically to get an answer that is more honed in than the traditional answers that we've seen elsewhere. And this is all done obviously as a result of being able to inspect this universe, which is, as you can see, a very large plethora, and there is no ability to analyze that data other than either to create a distribution grid or to do it quite simply within Before Your Eyes. I thank you once again from Before Your Eyes. I hope this assists in the analysis. Look forward to further informational distribution in the coming months.